morning, boys and girls, and welcome to Circle Time Kids Club. My name is Miss Porter, and these are my friends, Pete the cat, Henry, and Anastasia. And we are so glad to see you today. I'm so glad to see you again, see you again, see you again. I'm so glad to see you again. Welcome to Circle Time. And remember, when I touch my chin like this is for all of my hearing impaired friends out there so that they can follow along with us. All right, boys and girls. So we have so many exciting things to do today. But let's start out with our 5 senses. Do you know your 5 senses? I can see with my eyes. I can smell with my nose. I can hear with my ears. I can taste with my tongue. And I can touch with my hands. Alla walla do do do. Oh yeah. Alla walla do do do. Oh yeah. I love you. Very good. Okay, boys and girls, do you know the colors in the rainbow? All right, let's go over the colors in the rainbow. Red and yellow and green and blue, purple and orange too. You can sing a rainbow, a pretty rainbow, a pretty rainbow too. All right, let's do our colors. And remember, you can always repeat them after me when I do this. Okay, let's get started. This is the color red. Can you say red? This is the color orange. Can you say orange? This is the color yellow. Can you say yellow? This is the color green. Can you say green? This is the color blue. Can you say blue? This is the color purple. Can you say purple? This is the color brown. Can you say brown? And this is the color black. Can you say black? Very good. And today's treat is it's too early in the morning, but I just love to eat these cupcake. This is a sugar-free, gluten-free cupcake. All for you. All right, let's do the colors again. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, brown, black. Very good. Now, boys and girls, would you like to say a nursery rhyme with me? Let's say a nursery rhyme. Now look, even though it's morning time, our nursery rhyme comes out at night. Look at all of the beautiful stars shining in the sky. And then there's our little friend, little Charlie, and his dog. We're going to call him Tebow. And they are looking at the stars in the sky. Okay, let's say the poem together. This one is called Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, How I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Did you enjoy that? Let's say it again. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Did you enjoy that? Yes, that is a nice nursery rhyme to say at night. But we said it today. Now, boys and girls, do you know your days of the week? Let's say our days of the week. 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 This Sunday and this Monday, this Tuesday and this Wednesday, this Thursday and this Friday, and then this Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Okay, let's say the days of the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Very good. Now, boys and girls, let's say the days of the week in Spanish. Are you ready, Pete and friends? You ready? Okay, let's say the days of the week in Spanish. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo. Very good. You did such a good job saying your days of the week. And here's your cupcake. Okay, boys and girls. Now, do you know your shapes? Let's say our shapes. Okay, we're going to start out with the first set. This shape is called an octagon. Can you say octagon? This shape is called a pentagon. Can you say pentagon? This shape is called a square. Can you say square? And this shape is called a hexagon. Can you say hexagon? Very good. Now, let's go over our shapes again, and we're going to count the sides. Okay, this is an octagon. Let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is an octagon. Okay, now this is a pentagon. Let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. This shape is a square. It has 4 equal sides, and let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Now this is a hexagon. Let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. Now let's do our second set of shapes. Okay. This is an oval. It has no sides all around. This is a triangle. This is a circle. This is a rhombus. And this one is a rectangle. Okay, now we're going to count the sides. Now the oval, all the sides are circular. The triangle has 3 sides. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, and a point at the top. Very good. Now this one is round. This is a circle. And this is a rhombus. It has 4 points. 1 point, 2 points, 3 points, 4 points. Now this is a rectangle. It has 2 short sides and 2 long sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Now, boys and girls, can you say your months of the year? Let's say our months of the year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Very good. Now let's say it again. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Very good. Now, boys and girls, can you say your months of the year in Spanish? Okay, Pete and friends, are you ready to say your months of the year in Spanish? All right, let's get started. Enero, febrero, marzo, abril, mayo, junio, julio, agosto, septiembre, octubre, noviembre, diciembre. Very good. Let's say them again. Enero, febrero, marzo, abril, mayo, junio, julio, agosto, septiembre, octubre, noviembre, diciembre. Good job. And here's your cupcake. Very good. Okay, boys and girls. Now, let's count our numbers. Can you count your numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go higher. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good job. Let's do those again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Very good. Now, boys and girls, let's count from 1 to 10 in Spanish. Okay, are you ready? Let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 to 10 in Spanish. Now let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Now, boys and girls, let's say our alphabets. Do you know your alphabets? Let's say them together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Very good. On saying those alphabets, let's say them again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, boys and girls, we didn't sing any songs yet. Pete and friends, why didn't you remind me? We need to sing some. Okay, let's sing a song. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when clouds are gray. You don't know how, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when clouds are gray. You don't know how, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. Very good. You did a good job listening.